Hey guys, today I got another comic. Now this should be the last one for a bit, but the other one is Spider-Man vs. Deadpool Arms Race Part 1. So let's put this in order of the other ones. So this is Arms Race Part 2, so this one goes right underneath it. Just like that. And then, what was it? The Truth About the Parkers, Oldies, Eventpool, and then of course April Fool's Day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll post another one when I get more comics. Bye guys.